Hey kids, I'm Firefighter Brian up here in Concord, California on engine 22, and today we're going to talk to you about planning and practicing a fire escape plan for your own house. Guess who I got here with me today? It's Sparky! Sparky, paws up top. Now Sparky, do you have a plan to escape your house just in case there's a fire? Well, there is no better time than right here and right now to make one. So come on, let's go inside and do it. All right, Sparky. So the first thing we want to do whenever we make our fire escape plan is to draw our house. This is pretty fun. You want to make sure you have every wall and every door so we know what we can do just in case there's a fire. Today what I'll do is I'll draw the firehouse so we can make our escape plan for the firehouse. Okay, so now that we have our building, we want to make sure we have all the walls too. So I'm going to make sure I finish this with each and every wall. Excellent. Now when we make our fire escape plan, we need to make sure we have 2 exits from every room. Now you might think 2 exits, I only have 1 door. Well, that's why we can also go out a window, okay? So we're going to use our orange marker here to mark each and every exit. What we can do is we can go out the front door right here in case we're in the living room, or we can go out the side window right over there. In this bedroom, you see this? We can go out this window, or we can go out this door and follow it straight out the front as well. In this bedroom, we got 2 windows, so we actually have 3 ways out. 1 window, 2 window, or the door. And then in the kitchen, we got the door and the window. So this allows us to know that no matter which room we're in, we always have 2 ways of escape because one of them might be blocked or there might be smoke behind the door. Come on, let's go practice. Okay, Sparky. So as you can see, we're in this room right here and we got 2 choices in case there's a fire in our house. We can go out the door we came in or we can go out that window. Let's practice the window first, okay? Come on over. So the first thing we need to do is open up this window and there's typically a screen. Now, one of your parents can show you how to remove the screen, but typically you can just push it and it'll get right out of the way. Perfect. The smoke alarm might be going off, but don't be afraid. Just come on out the window and let's go. Good job. Nice work, Sparky. That was great. Now, if we don't go out the window, we also have the door we can go out, which is the door you go in and out of your room of all the time. So let's practice going out this door, okay? Now, there might be a fire. Whoa, Sparky, we don't want to just go for it straight out the door. We need to first test to make sure that there's not a lot of heat and smoke on the other side. So we're going to feel with our back of our hands, just like this on the metal doorknob, or we're going to look down here underneath the door to see if any smoke is puffing in this way. If that's the case, we do not want to go out that way. We want to head out the window, okay? So once we felt it's not hot, it's not too warm, we're going to head right out this door, okay? So we're going to open it up and we're going to see that we have a clear shot to our exit, okay? Now we can't just walk out. We need to do 2 things. We need to stay low and go. All right, say that with me. Stay low and go. Perfect. Now, come down here on your hands and knees, and we gotta make a fast exit. Come on! Good job. Now, wait, Sparky. We obviously don't want to stop on our way outside, but once we get outside, where are we gonna go? We need a meeting place. So that's why it's always important to make sure you have a meeting place with your family that when you get to, everybody can be accounted for and you can all stay together safely outside the house. Come on, let's go to our meeting place. Awesome job, Sparky. Now, that was really good that we practiced our plan, but what do we do with our actual sheet? Where should we put it? Great idea, right there on the refrigerator so everyone can see it. Not only me and you and mom and dad, but the babysitter or grandma and grandpa or even friends that come over. They'll know the plan too. Let's put it up there. Here you go. Perfect. So we drew our plan, we know where our meeting place is, and we practiced once. But once is never enough, right? Just like your firefighters practice in case there's a house fire that we're going to respond to, we need to practice just in case there's a house fire in our house. The best thing to do is to do this once a month and to take our smoke alarm and to practice it by sounding the alarm so we know what it's going to sound like in case there is a fire in our house. We already know where to go, so let's practice. There's the alarm. Let's stay low. Oh, we have an exit right here. Let's stay low and go. Feel for heat, no smoke, let's go. Awesome job, Sparky. We made it outside to our designated meeting place, and we did so safe, and we did so really well because we practiced it quite a bit. Now, when we get outside, we want to make sure that we have all of our family with us and that we never go back inside, not even if it's for a really important toy that you own, okay? All right, nice job. If you want to have more information about making your fire escape plan, go to www.cccfpd.org and download Sparky's template for the escape plan that we used. Thanks, Sparky.